how to change iPhone notification sounds. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in Settings, we scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. After, scroll down to this section here. In here, you can change the ringtone sound, text messages sound, new voicemail sound, etc. So if you go into ringtone and we scroll down here, and you can see we can quickly change the sound for ringtone. If you go into the tone store, you can purchase different sound, so different tones in here. You can make purchase on that. You can view your downloads and view your purchase. And if you go back to sounds here, text tone for text messages, the default is Note, so you can change it to something else that you like. And you can go back and continue to change any of our other notifications for new mail, sent mail, calendar alerts, etc. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.